Hello and welcome. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can just create a landing page or what we call a splash page, just like this in literally seconds. All right. And I've got a nice little prompt generator. For this demo, think of this as just a quick one prompt generator where the AI tool will just spit out a full-blown splash page just like this that you can just immediately use. And you can do this as many times as you like. All right. And even the free tier on these AI tools will just do whatever you want. All right. It's amazing. And we're going to talk a little bit about if you wanted to host this or run this properly live. So this is all part of a learning course that I want to share with you. And I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end of this video. But just for now, just follow on because we've got a little demonstration here on some nice AI tools that you can use to create some nice apps. But this is all part of some really, really powerful training that our community is getting access to teach them how to really level up their AI app creations without understanding any code whatsoever. So let's get started. This is what I built. I actually built this using the very AI tool that we're going to teach you how to use. So this AI tool is called Anti-Gravity. So Anti-Gravity is very simple. You just download it. And if you're familiar with the regular like an AI chat interface, if you use ChatGPT or anything like that, you're going to be well at home, all right? Because you just got a little chat box and you can just talk to it in natural language. And I'm going to give you everything. You don't even have to think. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. So what we had to do, obviously, with Anti-Gravity, we downloaded Anti-Gravity, and I'll give you the link in the steps below. But basically, with Anti-Gravity, you download it from the Google website. In fact, I'll just show you exactly how you could do that. You could go to Google and type Anti-Gravity. So Anti-Gravity 2.0 download in the search bar, and then just go straight to the link here, Anti-Gravity, and then just simply download. That's all you need to do. So if you're logged into Google, that'll be easier. So most people have a Gmail or a YouTube account, and you've got a Google account or whatever. So just download it and just get going. Once you download it, you'll install it on your desktop, whether a Mac or a Windows or whatever you're on. And when you're logged in, you'll go through a few simple steps just to get this little software, well, it's not so little, get it set up. And what you do is you just simply create a folder on just a blank folder on your desktop. That's what we're doing here. So create a folder, all right, on your desktop. I've already linked it, but what you would do is you just add the folder, and you're ready to go. So you would just simply write a prompt or even use the mic to ramble in natural language. Say, I want an application that does this or whatever. You don't have to be articulate. You don't have to know anything. People sometimes come to me and say, I don't understand what happened. You're talking to an intelligent AI tool. Ask it questions, and they usually overcome the issues with Anti-Gravity. Just say, Anti-Gravity, I don't understand what you just did. Talk to me like I'm a 7-year-old, and it'll help you out. It'll guide you every step of the way. But it's so easy anyway. So just to get you started, we're going to just do this little example here. So let's create a page. So we're going to be creating a page, something like this, for example, but using this prompt generator. Now, this tool, you can also get access to your own version of this tool. In fact, a more of an upgrade version of this tool. And this tool where you could actually save your own splash pages. And I'm giving the source code that you can actually host this tool. But the difference is that this particular splash page creation tool is that it's actually hosted by you and you can create your splash pages. But the tool you're on right now, which is here, is just a simple prompt generator. All right. So it actually creates the prompt that you put directly into Anti-Gravity. So you can just preview your workflow. You can put your link. For example, if you're promoting, let's say, for example, I'm going to promote MLM Lead Pro or whatever business opportunity you're promoting, just get your link to promote. Put that into the box there, what font sets you want to use. So let's go with that. That'll be nice. And then choose what color scheme you want. That's a kind of a nice blue scheme, purple. That's quite good. Let's go with that. Quite like that. You've also got some light themes. The only reason I'm getting you to go through this is not because you have to. It's just simply to get the prompt. You'll be starting from scratch. You'll just be typing whatever instructions you want to the AI tool. But this is just a kind of a fun little getting started guide that you can use. Now you can put in your headlines, sub-headlines. We've also got a little selection where you could choose something from the options here, or you can just edit them, whatever you want to do, CTA, whatever. Yeah, that's fine. We could do a 7-minute countdown let's do a 7-minute. And then that's that. And then you can generate the prompt. So the prompt is now copied to clipboard. So I'm going to go back to anti-gravity and I'm going to paste that into there. And so we've got the prompt and everything. And all you need to do now is just to click go and it starts to work. I'm going to pause the video because we don't need to go through. It'll take probably less than a minute or whatever, but it'll do its thing. But we don't need to see that necessarily. So I just start the video again. What it usually does is it usually has a look at your prompt. It usually, whatever other information it gives you. And then it hasn't actually created it yet. What it usually does is it creates an implementation plan, which you can just click and just review the plan. It's very simple because it's a simple app, but it usually, if it's a more complex app, you'll probably have more to kind of go over, but you can usually go to here and you can copy the whole thing, put it into ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever, or even just ask the AI directly. It's a very intelligent AI tool, just like ChatGPT. So you say, I don't understand what you've just proposed, but decide to proceed. But just go through the plan. It's not technical. It'll probably give you a kind of a summary of the plan, and you say yes, proceed. You click the button, and that's fine. Proceed, and then it'll build the app. But I'm going to pause the video again. Welcome back. So it took about a minute or so. It didn't take very long. So it's done it. You can either click here and review, but it's just the source code. And what you need to do is you need to go to the folder, open it up into your default browser, and there's your page. So it's got all the elements. If I refresh it again, you'll just see the animations. And when they go here, they go straight to the page that I wanted it to go to. It's got all the scarcity and everything like that. It's quite cool. Obviously, this is the background I chose. To be honest, I probably would have preferred to change it to another background. That's what you get access to for free. So check it out. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope this was useful. Bye for now.